What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? My name is Crystal K, and I'll be coming through with the fire recipes and cook videos, and I have funny commentary, apparently. That's what they say. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken salad with blue cheese. And before you go commenting and saying anything crazy, I know, like, when I first heard it, I was like, that's a weird combo, like, what the hell? But one of my clients actually recommended that I make their chicken salad this way. And ever since I made it this way, I've been hooked ever since. So don't knock it till you try it, because it's fire. Okay? It's fire. We're going to put this chicken salad on a croissant today. So if you're trying to watch your waistline, this ain't it. So first we're going to start off with our chicken breast. We're just going to butterfly this so that it cooks evenly and it's not super thick. Now we're going to go ahead and season up the chicken. We're going to drizzle it with some olive oil first. Then we're going to go in with some nutritional yeast, some red pepper flakes, some cumin, some onion powder, some garlic powder, kosher salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Then we're going to massage that in. We're going to massage that in really, really good because we want our chicken well seasoned, just like we want everything else well seasoned. And then we're going to let that marinate for like an hour. But if you want to do it overnight, you can. But for the purposes of this video, I just did it for an hour. So now we're just going to line a sheet tray with parchment paper, and then we're going to lay our chicken breast on there. And we're going to cook our chicken breast for about 20 to 25 minutes on 350 degrees. Now, if you got that chicken breast that was injected with like mad steroids and it's like OD big, you're going to have to eyeball that yourself because I don't know how long to tell you to cook your chicken breast for. But this one is a decent size. So, yeah. And then after we finish cooking it, we're going to let it rest so that, you know, all the juices just don't slip out. And we still have some juicy chicken. So now that the chicken is cooked, we're just going to dice this up. So now that we have our chicken in a bowl, we're just going to add in some onion, some celery, some dill, some mustard, some mayo, some garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and the star of the show, which is the blue cheese, my favorite. Now, I don't know if I told you guys this. Oh, wait. Yeah, we're going to mix it. My bad. I don't know if I told you guys this, but when I was in culinary school, somebody had made some mac and cheese with blue cheese, and I thought it was going to be the worst thing in the world, but I'm like, okay, like, let me just try it and not knock it. Bro, when I tried that joint, bro, I was like, what? I didn't even know blue cheese could do stuff like this. So, like, just me, like, even putting it in the chicken salad, like, you guys, I'm telling you, just try it. Like, even in your mac and cheese. Now, I don't know what cheese that girl used in culinary school, but that joint really slapped. Like, I was hella surprised. So now we're going to put the chicken salad on a croissant. We're going to put the chicken salad on a croissant. I got these from Trader Joe's, but if you want to get them from a bakery, cool. Like I was saying, if you're trying to watch your waistline, probably forget about this croissant. Also, I don't know, maybe try a cracker, but that still has a lot of calories. So probably just don't eat the chicken salad, LOL, please. So back to what I was saying. Now we're just going to place the other half of the croissant on top, and then we're just going to devour it. Like, that's it. So this is the final product of the sandwich, and it looks so bomb. Like, it definitely looks how it tastes because it tastes amazing. I'm not even gonna hold you on that one. Like, the sandwich is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Like, it's hitting where it's supposed to hit. Should I continue to rhyme? Okay, whatever. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow your girl on the gram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.